Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh. So this Play-Doh I've actually made, I don't even know how long ago, babe. When would they make this? Like 3 months? 4 months? It's the craziest Play-Doh. It lasted so long. We got the recipe from a local play center. Adriana loves it, but now we're going to make different colors today. Right, Adriana?
Yes!
What colors you want to make?
Green, pink.
Green and pink. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll show you guys how it's done. It's really easy and it lasts long. I put it in the fridge and we've been playing with it for, like I said, so long, 3-4 months for sure. So it's gonna be lots of fun. Here we go. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1 cup of flour with 1/4 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of oil, and I think I used avocado oil last time, so we have this avocado oil, and then food coloring. So today, what do we say, Adriana, we're gonna make? We're gonna make one, what is this color? Green and pink. Good. So 1 green and 1 pink. All right, so here we go.
1 cup of flour.
1 cup of flour, that's right. Okay, go ahead. Put it in here. Okay, and then get all of it. So pop, pop, pop. Nice, good job. So here's the salt.
He's like, I want to be
part of it. All right, you got that. Thank you.
I want to be part of it too, right? Hello. It's like, what's going on over here? Hello.
We make Play-Doh, baby.
Yeah.
And then we need some cream of tartar. So we're gonna put 2
That's the secret ingredient.
teaspoons. Yeah, this makes it like smooth and it's soft. 1, 2. Excellent. Okay, so let's just mix these up together. So all the dry ingredients, you want to do it? Go ahead. So all the dry ingredients are in, and I'm just going to put a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of oil afterwards. And then as much food coloring as I think. 1 tablespoon of oil. You want to hold on to this? Okay, yeah, pour it in. Nice, excellent. And 1 cup of water. Okay, there we go. And that's it. That's it, water, that's right. And now we gotta mix. We're gonna mix really well. Okay, let me just get all the powder. Make sure that, because we need to make sure we don't lose any of that powder. Okay, go mix it up. Mix it up. All right, and now we're gonna move the green in, right? So put green drops. Obviously, like you can see, this is quite light green right now. So if you want a darker color, you just put more food coloring. So, okay, and so here you go. Here's the consistency. You can see over there, it's kind of watery, easy to move around. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the mixture into your pot, and it says to heat on medium heat for 5 minutes, but I found that like even within 1 minute, it actually started hardening. So, you know, maybe a minute or two. You use your discretion when you're doing it, but it will become basically one big chunk of Play-Doh, and that's it. Just keep stirring. You stir the entire time. Make sure you get all the edges, of course. And you don't have to worry about your pot. The actual everything, once it gets heated, it'll all stick together. Like actually, you can even see it starting to stick together on the inside. I'll show you. Yeah, see that side starting to stick together. Okay, so now, yeah, the Play-Doh's done. See, there's the Play-Doh. Now this has to cool, so what you do is you put it on wax paper to cool. And then after it's cooled enough, you gotta take it out and you knead the dough. And this is where you're gonna actually make it, the consistency really good and very like Play-Doh-like, and it'll stick together and be really strong. So this is it, there's the Play-Doh, and now it's more, like it's still warm, I can feel it in my hands. But now that it's warm, you wanna really knead it. Now, you know, it says maybe knead for a minute or so, but the more you knead, the better the actual consistency is. All right, buddy, you want to see it? See? Play-Doh, you want to push? Push.
Touch.
Touch. Yeah, watch, your finger's gonna go right in. Cool, eh? Watch this. Let's get your handprint in here. Handprint, open up your hands. Lots. Oh, handprint.
Hello. Hello. Hello, little mister. Hello. You want to see yourself?
Feel it? Oh, but your hands are dirty now. You have the thing.
Food.
Food in your hands, right? So then that's about 5 minutes of kneading. I like that consistency, just so nice and soft. It's still warm, so you can actually, yeah, it's good, right? But it's still stiff, so like you can mold it and play with it. So once this cools, it'll be a little harder. And then what I do is I just put these in a Ziploc bag and I store them in the fridge. Green's done, pink is next. Okay, well this is not pink. This is purple. I know, that's what I thought the color was gonna be. I guess those are, no, that's different. Anyways, so here we are, we gotta mix it up here. Okay, so the pink turned out to be purple. The cap looked a little pinkish, but I guess I was wrong, it's purple. So here you go, there's the purple one. And here's your green one, so they are ready to go, ready to be played with. The only difference between these two, I used avocado oil in this one, and I used olive oil in this one. So I'm not sure they feel kind of the same. And I just wanted to see if the consistency was gonna be different, and let's see what Adriana thinks about these. Here you go, come on up, come up, come up.
Come up.
Okay, cool, right?
Oh.
Which one do you like better, Adriana, green or purple? Look at that, put your pinky. Okay, so if you want to try yourself, I'll leave the recipe in the notes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining.